In this video, we will focus on the word il symbol. How to learn. Listen carefully, repeat after the speaker, and practice speaking naturally. Let's start learning in an easy and effective way. It seems fine.
Il sembra bon. Il sembra bon.
It seems easy.
Il semble facile. Il semble facile.
It seems hard.
Il semble difficile. Il semble difficile.
It seems true.
Il semble vrai. Il semble vrai.
It seems wrong.
Il semble faux. Il semble faux.
It seems right.
Il semble juste. Il semble juste.
It seems fair.
Il semble juste. Il semble juste.
It seems strange.
Il semble étrange. Il semble étrange.
It seems different.
Il semble différent. Il semble différent.
It seems possible.
Il semble possible. Il semble possible.
It seems likely.
Il semble probable. Il semble probable.
It seems broken.
Il semble cassé. Il semble cassé.
It seems better.
Il semble meilleur. Il semble meilleur.
It seems true enough.
Il semble assez vrai. Il semble assez vrai.
It seems like rain.
Il semble comme pluie. Il semble comme pluie.
It seems to work.
Il semble que ça fonctionne. Il semble que ça fonctionne.
It seems to fit.
Il semble que ça convienne. Il semble que ça convienne.
It seems to help.
Il semble que ça aide. Il semble que ça aide.
It seems to be fine.
Il semble que ce soit bien. Il semble que ce soit bien.
It seems all right.
Il semble correct. Il semble correct.
It seems quiet.
Il semble calme. Il semble calme.
It seems noisy.
Il semble bruyant. Il semble bruyant.
It seems crowded.
Il semble bondé. Il semble bondé.
It seems empty.
Il semble vide. Il semble vide.
It seems expensive.
Il semble cher. Il semble cher.
It seems cheap.
Il semble bon marché. Il semble bon marché.
It seems late.
Il semble tard. Il semble tard.
It seems early.
Il semble tôt. Il semble tôt.
It seems interesting.
Il semble intéressant. Il semble intéressant.
It seems boring.
Il semble ennuyeux. Il semble ennuyeux.
It seems risky.
Il semble risqué. Il semble risqué.
It seems safe.
Il semble sûr. Il semble sûr.
It seems urgent.
Il semble urgent. Il semble urgent.
It seems relaxed.
Il semble détendu. Il semble détendu.
It seems realistic.
Il semble réaliste. Il semble réaliste.
It seems impossible.
Il semble impossible. Il semble impossible.
It seems messy.
Il semble en désordre. Il semble en désordre.
It seems organized.
Il semble organisé. Il semble organisé.
It seems helpful.
Il semble utile. Il semble utile.
It seems clear.
Il semble clair. Il semble clair.